rasa sayang-sayang, hey, hey, lihat Nona jauh, rasa sayang-sayang, hey. Well, actually, when you talk about Peranakan, like you said, the culture, the beads, the kebaya, the furniture, and also the food. Peranakan cooking is very rich in their cuisine. And every dish is a signature by itself. Takkanlah you don't have to say, oh, this one not nice, or no. Americans, they have two gender. So the male one is called the male. Then for the lady, you call female. Then for Peranakan, for lady, you call Nyonya. Then for the male, you call Baba. Like us, sudah tua kan? So Bibik, we are one class above. So we are Peranakan. Peranakan, this is our race. We are Peranakan.
Our upbringing, our culture,
yes.
From young, for me, I still cannot forget my batu giling,
batu tumbu.
I will still want to eat the laksa ball made from home. Of course, I'm missing all of this. There's no denying that a true blue Nyonya will be able to tell you the childhood she has gone through. But if you have not gone through that kind of childhood,
correct lah. Even if you take away the food, you take away the baju, you take away everything about Peranakan, we are still Peranakan because the blood runs in us.
I think the next generation after us, or my generation itself, I already married an Indian, But I'm born in a Nyonya family.
We cannot take
but
away.
Of course, I cannot tell my daughter about my childhood. She will not understand. You can only tell them what you have gone through because the Nyonya custom is so much about filial piety.
Okay, when we talk about Peranakan cuisine, it's a very tiring process when you talk about preparation. Also, when you cook for the family, it's much more easier compared to when you do a restaurant. Because now we talk about modernization in kitchen equipment, in manpower. Because those days we only do it among the family members, but now you can actually employ staff. I don't see that if we were to use that mean that we are losing our identity. No, we do not. It's just a matter of getting it faster done. We have to be particular about the way we cook. We will still preserve authenticity of Peranakan's cooking. When we talk about Peranakan's cooking, it has been practiced or cooked all over the world. There is no hard and fast rule to say that, oh, their cooking is wrong, my cooking is right. Everyone has their own way of cooking. Everyone has their own style. Let's say if you are a true blue Peranakan, it will not run very far away. So what I mean to say is that if someone improvise a dish to make it more attractive, the taste should more or less be almost similar. You cannot simply put any other ingredients inside there just to make it attractive. The attractiveness comes from the decoration of the dish and not from other ingredients that you put inside the dish.
A fine dining chef came to me and wrote me an email to say, I want an intensive course with you, and after that, at the end of it, may I have a certificate? And my reply to him is, intensive course means 50 to 80 dishes for you to understand the flavor. Then, after that, you can do the combo. Before that, 10 dishes do not qualify you to even get a certificate of attendance. That is the quality that we have to adhere to. Anybody can cook Peranakan, anybody can cook Nyonya food, but if you have not eaten the flavors before, then you say it's your cooking, it's not Peranakan food. Oh, this is what I have ate. I've cooked it with Pearly. This is the Peranakan curry kapitan. Yeah, but I'm not following Pearly. I don't put lime in it. You can say that honestly because you're honest. You cannot call it curry kapitan then. It's just a curry.
We are Peranakans, and if we do not cook well, or if we do not wear the kebayas and all this, And if we do not even follow the culture of Peranakan, that doesn't make us one less bit of a Peranakan. It's a matter of how much they're going to put effort in it to keep this alive. Although we are a very small community, but we are not a dying community. We are still out there all over the world. We are still Peranakans.